What's up everyone, this is Shreyas Kamath here, and in this video I'll be showing you a detailed tutorial of how to make a website using Lovable, completely using AI, completely wipe coded, and like literally a single line of code is not even written. It's completely wipe coded. So yes, you can learn how to make websites using Lovable, which is a wipe coding tool, and then you can start your own website creation agency or social media marketing agency. I personally run a social media marketing agency, and even you could do that too. And you can just make a website for this, make a sell it to your businesses like a local businesses or businesses in the US, like the United States. You can sell it to them and earn in dollars, right? So this is the basics of it. You have to know how to wipe code if you want to survive in 2026. And yeah, this is how the website looks like. Arena X, that's the name of the arena. And then book your game time. It's completely booking. It's like live time booking system. I can just click on book a code. This is the landing page. I mean, this is the home page. And I can click on book your code. But select badminton. I can choose a various of sports. And then I can just click on badminton. Then select date will be tomorrow. And then badminton code 1. Pick a time slot. I would choose 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then I can enter my name and my email, my phone number, and number of players, and booking summary, sport, quote, date, time, and players. And total will be $66. And I can just click on confirm booking. And there you go. Booking is confirmed. Your quote is reserved. Pay at the venue at arrival. And this is the booking code which I'll be getting. So this is how it works. Okay. All right, let's get started now. So this is the Lovable interface, and yes, you can just go to lovable.dev, and then you'll get this all this interface. You just need to sign up, and then if you already have an account, you can just sign in. And yes, so I'll be using a pro plan that is of $25 a month. I currently have around 105 credits. You can check it out over here. And yes, let's build this right now. So here's the prompt window. I just need to prompt it over here. I'll paste this prompt, which I have this prompt right now. Build a premium sports arena website for Arena X, focused on cricket, football, badminton, table tennis, baseball, tennis, basketball, and volleyball. The UI should have a dark athletic stadium vibe with a very bold professional sports and athletic feel and vibe. Keep everything ultra clean with strong hierarchy, pixel perfect spacing, and zero clutter. Core feature is a fast one-step booking flow with the real-time availability and pricing based on hourly and per person logic. Show live slot status as well as the optimistic UI updates and skeleton loaders with shimmer animation. Add a floating header and a mobile button. Navigation optimized for thumb reach. Use cinematic motion, scroll linked animation, subtle 3D over websites, and magnetic CTAs include expandable code details and a live event ticker. The site should feel like a real ultra premium sports facility platform. Before proceeding with the build, please ask any questions you may have for clarification. So this is the prompt, and I won't be building it right away. I'll be toggling on this chat mode over here so that it won't start building right away. Now what it will do is it will just create a plan for you, or if it has any question, it will ask questions for you, like in the form of MCQs or as such. All right, and then once it has a clear understanding of what it wants to build, we can just implement that plan. All right, but this particular chat mode takes only one credit, like one credit. Okay, so yes, let's start building right away. I'm not sure if you all know what skeleton loaders is. Skeleton loaders is basically like before it loads something, before it loads a car, it will show some gray effect, right? And shimmer effect is basically like a animation of it, like the all those skeleton loaders. You can get to know once I build it. And yes, I just click on enter. Let's see what this comes up with. All right, now it's asking me a bunch of questions. Let's answer them. Do users need to create accounts and log in to book, or should guest bookings be allowed? I guess guest bookings should be allowed. I mean, both options should be valid. So, I mean, guest checkout is more helpful, I feel. So, to go with guest checkout. And how should payments be handled for booking? Online payment, pay at venue, both options. Both options. Is this for a single arena location or multiple venues? Single arena. And then do you need an admin dashboard to manage the platform? Yes, full admin. And then yes, that is it. I click on submit. Asking me one more question. So, how should booking confirmation be sent to guest? Email confirmation, SMS notification, on-screen receipt only in app. Okay, downloadable receipt. I guess this is fine. And then I'll go with next. Should users be able to cancel or reschedule their booking? Self-service cancellation, contact to cancel, no cancellation. I guess users can cancel, reschedule booking themselves with the refund rules. I guess this is okay. Or yeah, that's fine. And what should the live event ticker display? Real arena activity, sports arena for sports news promos, mix of both. Show current upcoming bookings, remaining slots, promotion, display motivated sports news arena. I guess. Hmm, I'll go with this, and then I click on submit. As you can see, it's generating the plan. It's shaping up really well. I have everything I need. Here's the comprehensive plan for Arena X. So this is the plan. It's generating the plan now. And I can just implement this. I can just click on implement the plan. Yes. Does this plan app capture your vision for Arena X? Would you like to display any feature, adjust any features, add something specific, or change priorities before we start building? I'll just go through this once. All right, design and aesthetic, bold, if we done. I could implement the plan at the same time. I don't want the Stripe integration because in India it doesn't support the Stripe is not supported over here. So for that particular reason, I'd be like, no need to integrate Stripe. Payments will be accepted at the venue only. We have other several options as well. To keep this simple as possible, I'll be choosing this to payment. I'll just choosing the option to pay at venue itself. So I'll just click on enter and then it'll create one more plan for me. I'll just say regenerate the plan. I'll enter. As you can see, the credits used is 1. So for chat mode, it is gonna use only 1 credit. Alright, the plan is done. I went through all of it and it's perfect. I'll just click on implement the plan. And now it's gonna build it for us. It's gonna write a bunch of codes for us. And yeah, this is the window. The right hand side is the window where you can see the preview as well as you have a lot of bunch of options as well. I'll show it to you in a while. It's getting ready. I click on enable cloud so that for the database to be managed, the built-in database, add an LLM to your app, free to start, pay as you scale. I click on allow. Yes. Also, you have an option ask each time, always allow, never allow. I always go with always allow. That's completely fine for me so that we don't have to, click on allow again and again. So this is the preview of the website, which is just generated. Book your game time, premium sports facility at your fingertips, cricket, football, badminton, and more. Reserve your code in seconds, pay on arrival. Book a code, I can choose badminton, baseball, basketball, cricket, football, table tennis, tennis, volleyball. I can enter my name, my email, my phone, number of players too. Alright, it will be $60. Confirm booking. Okay, booking code. I mean, it's pretty good. View my bookings. Alright, I guess it's not done yet. My bookings, yeah. And then let's go to home. Let's make some changes now. As you can see, the task: set up database schema, build design system, create homepage, build booking flow, create my bookings, build admin dashboard. I guess yet to be added, like more stuffs to be added right now. I guess only half of the build design system is done. It needs to create homepage, it needs to refine the homepage, build booking flow, create my bookings, build admin dashboard, and a lot of them. Also click on view backend. I can view all the databases, time slots, bookings, sports, and just click on it. I can view all the database inbuilt to server base actually. And then each function, there's no each function, there's no AI feature, there's no secrets. All right, let's get and do make some changes right now. Oh, add admin logic, add admin authentication with login page so only authorized users can access the admin dashboard. All right, let's build this now. It's time to refine. So I've created a prompt using ChatGPT. I'll just I've redesign. I told the ChatGPT refine the prompt very well. You just copy this thing and paste it over here. And I'll toggle this chat mode on. So it is basically about redesign and heavily polish the existing Arena X Sports Arena booking website UI. The core product already works, but the current UI feels average and unprofessional. I want premium high-end stadium grade experience that feels like a top global sports brand. Goals make the UI ultra clean, modern, and professional, improve the visual hierarchy, clear section, and strong pacing and no clutter. Homepage should communicate more value and information without overwhelming the user. Make everything 100,000x more user friendly. Design direction is dark athletic stadium vibe, rounded corners everywhere, cards, button, models, input, etc. Answer to glass morphism, effect, force check, glass panel, soft blur, and low opacity. And I've added a lot of features. The ChatGPT has generated this. So I'll just click on go. Remember, I've clicked on the chat mode. I've toggled on the chat mode so that it will implement the plan. I mean, it will generate the plan and I can implement this plan so that it will be more efficient, you could say. And for building this, it took about 2.3 credits for building this entire website, just 2.3 credits. And that is only because I've toggled this chat mode on. Because the chat mode analyzed all the plan, has generated a detailed plan, I could just implement the plan, and the credits was lower. If I was not able to, if I didn't, toggle on the chat mode, probably it would take much more credits for just building it. All right. So totally, just for redesign, just for designing this, for making this particular website, it took about 2.3 plus 1 credit for chat mode. So just 3.3 credits, just 3.3 credits. Suppose if you don't toggle on the chat mode, it would probably take a lot more credits. That's not going to be more efficient as well. So this is the best way to go. First, describe your prompt and then toggle on the chat mode, and then it will create a plan for you. And if you want any other changes, you can just make it and then implement the plan. That's how you need to work. This is the best hack I could give it to you. Chat mode is the best because it's not going to write any code for you. It's not going to make any changes in the files, make any changes in the code base, nothing. It's just going to plan because it has access to all the code base. It will review all the code base and it will plan it for you. And you can just implement it. It's much more efficient this way. Phase 2 and then phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5, phase 6, phase 7, there are how many phases? Totally 8 phases are there which has generated the plan. I'll just click on implement the plan, as simple as that. We'll wait for a couple of minutes and let's see what this comes up with. So this is the output. So this is kind of better than the previous one, I guess. The previous one, you could check it out over here. It will be here. Before the plan is generated, you could see add admin auth page. You can view the previous one. It's kind of uncluttered. I don't like this actually. I can just click on back to latest and this much more cleaner I feel. I'm gonna make it much more cleaner I feel. There are a lot of colors. I want it to be consistent throughout. And also I don't like this particular gradient because it's blue is not necessary over here. I also want to add a lot of images as well of the arenas. So let's now add those elements. This is the prompt generated using ChatGPT. This is final refined prompt. Is for basically for improving the UI and improving adding images, adding better icons, and for the home page, at least 3 slots remaining. I mean, those kind of and navigation stuff. I also told to remove the home button and instead add a back button instead. I've told this in detail. So it has generated a better prompt so that the AI will be able to understand it better. And I'll just copy this. I'll go to Lovable. I'll paste it and I click on chat mode. I'll toggle on chat mode and I click on enter. Now to create a plan for me, one more plan for me, and I can just implement that plan. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Output. I mean, this much better, much cleaner. It has added this hero page image as well as as you can see badminton, baseball, basketball, cricket, volleyball, tennis, table tennis, football. All the images are mentioned. I mean, all the images are visible. This is great. And also I've added testimonial section, like the review section, 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, what our players say, cricket enthusiast, badminton player, corporate team lead. These are really great. And now it's time to refine it even more. I don't like the hero image though. I gotta change that, and I'll come up with more changes. And let's do this. We generated one more plan using chat mode, and I'm gonna click on implement plan, and let's see what this comes up with. Website of Arena X looks like. Book your game time. Says world-class sports facilities at your fingertips, cricket, football, badminton, and more. Reserve your court in seconds, pay on arrival. And you can just book a court over here or view sports, and then the number of sports are mentioned over here, the timings, the number of happy customers, and then choose your sport, badminton, baseball, basketball, cricket, volleyball, tennis, table tennis, football. And then you have these 10 plus years of excellence, 50,000 happy customers, 8 sports available, 15 plus professional course, and then world class facilities, facilities which of the arenas. And then why choose Arena X? These are some of the reasons why you should choose Arena X. And then the testimonial section, that is the review section. Rahul Sharma, Priya Patel, as well as Arjun Kumar, and then frequently asked question, how do I book a court? Simply click book now, select your spot, and select your sport, choose a date and code, pick an available time slot, enter your details and confirm. You'll receive a booking code instantly. That is it. And this is the footer. And here we have follow us on Instagram. You can just click on that and it will redirect to the Instagram page. And then here we have WhatsApp widget. You can just click on it and it will go. I have a query regarding INRX or something like that. That's a pre-filled message. I can just click on open app and it will write it for me. And yes, this is my number, by the way. And yes, all right. So this was it. So let's try to book. I just click on badminton. And yeah, the select date would be 14th and badminton court 1. I would choose I choose this and then my full name. All right. And then my email and then this thing and number of players too. And I can just click on confirm booking. And the booking has been confirmed. This is the booking code. I can just copy this booking code and say to them the total will be $99. I can just click on view my bookings. And then if I enter my code over here, it shows thing. And if I want to cancel, I can just click on cancel. I can just click on cancel. Yes. It canceled that. And this is the admin dashboard. And yeah, we need to log into that. And then you get this interface. This is a thing which I filled it previously. I filled it from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And yeah, this is how you would be getting. And today's actual revenue, I could update it anyway. I could put it as $200 and then I can click on yes and expected revenue. Since it is $99 for this, the expected revenue will be $99 over here. And total today's booking is 1 because there is 1 over here and active course 8 and occupancy rate is 1%. So yes, this is completely made using AI. And if you want more such, website, if you want a website for yourself, for your business, do let us know. My contact number is in the description below. You can call me, you can contact me on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and my team will take it from there. Thank you so much for watching.